Hello guys, welcome to my channel, an easy one. So as you can see on my dashboard, you can see the withdrawals which I made from different investments platforms. So in this video, I will be talking about a new investment platforms which was just launched one day ago. But before we get started into the video, all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel, an easy one. So to get started, all what you need to do is to go ahead and click the link in the description of my video. So it will brought to you to an interface like this. So all what you need to do is to go ahead and fill all the information required and click on register. So this website is a quantity USDT website where you need to stake some USDT to earn some daily profit. To get started with the mining, all what you need to do is to check their mining plans. As for the VIP one, you need to recharge a minimum of 10 USDT and earn 28% of your income in just 80 days. The same goes for VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, and the rest of them. So you can see that they have high returns in the investment plans. But you will need recharge your wallet using BEPI20 wallet address and send some USDT to it. Remember, the minimum to start with is 10 USDT. So after depositing, you can choose the investment plans you wish to go for. As you can see, I'm currently on VIP 1, but I will go for VIP 2 due to their daily returns. So to withdraw is very easy. All what you need to do is to go withdraw and insert your USDT BEP20 wallet address and the amount you want to withdraw and security password. Then click withdraw. In just few seconds, you are going to see your money in your wallet. Remember that you can claim your profit and capital the same time. So we have come to the end of this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, NEC1. So peace out.